8 Impressive health benefits of celery. The official name of celery is actually Apium graveolens, but you can see why they gave it a catchier nickname. Celery is a member of the Apiaceae family of plants. The benefits that celery brings to your health are vast due to the fact that it contains high levels of antioxidants and enzymes. It's also jam-packed with essential vitamins and minerals including folate, vitamin B6, potassium, vitamin K, and vitamin C. There have been countless studies that cover the health benefits that celery provides. Due to this, celery has long been a staple of alternative medicine as well as culinary applications. If you eat celery on a regular basis, you'll have a healthier heart and a happier life. Furthermore, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of celery also make it a great food for those who suffer from hypertension and excessively high levels of cholesterol in their bloodstream. Here are 8 benefits that celery has to offer. 1. Lowers inflammation. Celery is filled to the brim with antioxidants and polysaccharides. Antioxidants can repair the damage caused by free radicals, one of the most common causes of inflammation. Chronic diseases like arthritis, cancer, and heart disease are caused by inflammation. There are over a dozen forms of antioxidants contained within celery. These include quercetin, caffeic acid, and ferulic acid. Celery is a great home remedy for inflammatory issues which include joint pain, IBS, kidney infections, and UTIs. Urinary tract infections often cause difficulty or irregularity in bowel movements and urination due to inflammation. That being the case, the antioxidants contained in celery can ease the symptoms and sometimes even cure the problem outright. Many skin disorders are also caused or triggered by inflammation. For instance, eczema isn't caused by inflammation, it's caused by excessive cell growth. That said, its episodes can be triggered by inflammation, thus eating celery can reduce the frequency of these flares. 2. Reduces high cholesterol. Another benefit of eating celery on a regular basis is its ability to reduce the levels of bad cholesterol in your body. If you add celery into your meals, you'll notice a healthier heart and less cholesterol. There is a compound called buletin PH in celery that can lower a lipid. Furthermore, if you add more celery into your meals or start taking celery supplements, you'll find that your triglyceride concentration, total cholesterol, and lipoprotein cholesterol will all be decreased. Sponsored by Allergen. Excessively high cholesterol levels make it difficult for your body to move blood around your arteries, which can lead to heart disease and even cardiac arrest. Eating celery regularly will ensure that the free flow of your blood across your body is safeguarded. This will, in turn, reduce the odds of developing heart disease and increase your lifespan significantly. Remember, it only takes a few minutes to cut up some celery, but it can cost you years if you develop heart disease. 3. Treats high blood pressure. Another great health benefit that celery has to offer is its ability to treat hypertension or high blood pressure in layman's terms. High blood pressure can increase your odds of developing coronary heart disease. This can be a deadly disease and could significantly shorten your life. Luckily, there are many home remedies that will help you lower your blood pressure. Celery is an especially effective one. Celery seed extracts are particularly good for treating high blood pressure because they hold antihypertensive properties. Celery is also filled with high amounts of calcium and potassium. In addition, celery contains muscle-relaxing capabilities which can regulate your blood pressure and ensure you don't get a stroke. Overall, adding celery to your diet is a great way to keep your heart healthy, your blood pressure normal, and your life happy. Bear in mind that celery isn't a substitute for hypertension medications and you should never treat it as such. 4. Aids in weight loss. Celery is one of those foods that are great if you are trying to shave a few pounds off to ensure you don't get sucked into the vortex of obesity. Celery is perfect for those on a diet due to the fact that it has barely any calories while still being nutritious. If celery is the main part of your diet, you'll still be able to get all the vital nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs to operate at optimal efficiency, but without gaining back the pounds that you just lost through all your sacrifice and exercise. Furthermore, Celery also hastens your metabolism to ensure that you burn calories faster and lose more weight. It's also rich in vitamin C, vitamin B, potassium, electrolytes, and antioxidants, which will all keep you energetic even while you diet. Don't die yet, just diet. If you want to stay healthy while losing weight, be sure to get your daily dose of celery. 5. Fights infections. Celery seeds hold antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Due to this, they have long been used as a treatment for infection. In fact, there have been records of celery seeds used to fight infection from a few centuries ago. Celery extract has the same effect as celery seeds. It can inhibit the growth of bacteria, boost the efficiency of your immune system, and fight any bacterial infections that might be manifesting within your body. Most people just rely on antibiotics to deal with any bacterial infections that they may be dealing with. That said, there are many benefits that come with using antibiotics, such as an imbalance in your body's microbiome. If you want to get the same bacteria-busting effects without having to deal with all the usual side effects that come with pharmaceuticals, add some celery to your diet and watch the pathogens scream in pain as they are destroyed. 6. Cures bloating and improves digestion. Indigestion is a common woe that most of us have dealt with at one point or another throughout the course of our lives. There are many digestive benefits that you can get by eating celery due to its diuretic capabilities. If you eat celery regularly, you'll notice an improvement when it comes to digestion. You'll also have to worry less about bloating and water retention, making you appear slimmer than you already are. Some studies have linked indigestion to high blood pressure. They have hypothesized that the digestive system has a tougher time breaking down food into nutrients when the blood pressure in your body is excessively high. Celery has the ability to lower your blood pressure, which could further aid digestion. In this regard, celery is the best vegetable for killing two birds with one stone. You aid your digestion while further reducing the odds of having a stroke. What more could you ask for? 7. Reduces the risk of urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections are an extreme annoyance and can really throw off your daily routine. Despite the measures that many people take to prevent these problems, you'll often find a urinary tract infection popping up at the least convenient time anyway. Celery can help decrease the frequency of urinary tract infections due to the fact that it can increase the production of urine and lower the levels of uric acid in your body. It also holds antibacterial properties which can ward off any harmful bacteria before they even have the chance to manifest into a full-blown infection. Celery will even kill off any bacterial infections that might be starting up in your stomach as it lingers there during the digestion process. Furthermore, there have even been studies suggesting that eating celery on a regular basis might help dissolve any cysts that are forming within your body. It is as of yet unclear why celery has this effect, but why question the benefits? 8. Keeps cancer at bay. One of the most important benefits that celery brings is its ability to prevent cancer. Cancer is one of the scariest things that you can get. While it doesn't always mean that the end is nigh, it certainly makes it harder for you to live your life and accomplish your goals. Even those who beat cancer likely spent years doing so and as a result, missed out on countless experiences. Not to mention the constant risk of cancer returning. If you don't want to fall victim to one of the largest banes of life in human history, be sure to add more celery into your diet. Polyacetylenes are compounds that can prevent the formation of cancer, and, wouldn't you know it, celery contains high levels of these compounds. These compounds that are contained in celery can also inhibit the growth of any cancerous tumors. To keep yourself cancer-free, add some celery to your day. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribe to my channel.